This meme cycle is going to be one of the greatest meme cycle ever. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Crypto Profeta, and today we're going to talk about the official Trump meme coin that just got launched approximately about 22 hours ago, and we are just going to review it and check it out. I'm not giving you guys a financial advice on to buy it because you guys have to wait for the correction, and yes, it's going to happen, right? So we know that we almost there for the inauguration of Donald Trump, that it's going to happen Monday 20 of January. And you guys know already that we have been seeing this hype of front running the Donald Trump narrative. And as you guys can see, we they officially Donald Trump announced his meme token on the Solana network. This is a very amazing for the Solana network ecosystem, because this is going to bring much more people to the Solana ecosystem. So today we're going to check the price. From this moment on, you guys already saw when the price just launches. It was approximately about 36 million market cap, and from there on the price skyrocket all the way to 6 billion market cap. And if you guys can see something very usual in this chart, we always are going to see, and I am on a 5-minute time frame, so we still have not even a 24-hour to go. So I'm still waiting, for example, a correction for the price to redirect and come back to this support line, right? Waiting for it to come back, and from there on start accumulating at approximately 4 billion, 4 billion market cap, right? So you guys are seeing that we have this very big impulsive rise until 2 billion market cap, where a lot of the investors are going to take profit. Why? Because it's a psychology market cap, 2 billion market cap. And then we are seeing the retracement back to that same area where we saw, for example, as you guys can see right here, we are seeing the price has reached and then retraced back again. And then we are seeing that it's giving us, like, for example, the price is going back to touch that area right back, and then get out of there, and then go out all above that 4 billion market cap, right? At 4 billion market cap, we are seeing the price coming back down, coming to reach for that 2.9 billion market cap, but doesn't hit it. But well, it will hit that 3.1 billion market cap, and then right away start getting bought back up. Why? A lot of people start hearing about it and start getting announced on X, and a lot of people have started to talk about it. And then from there, the correction, the price start moving all the way up to 6.8 billion market cap. Very interesting. Now we are seeing that the price is moving sideways, going into the sideways trend, the distribution phase, where the price start distributing. And right, we are seeing, for example, one fake out, second fake out, and usually it always hit approximately about 3 fake out and something like that, right? Like, for example, we had here right on this area, we had also a fake out before the pump, and the price came all the way down, reach this area, and then go back up to reach the new all-time high. So this is very important, guys. You guys need to know these standard stuff in crypto, because the token just only have 22 hours, right? So there is a lot of things that are going to happen with this token. We are going to see a lot of volatility. We are going to see a lot of people buying, people selling, right, into the narrative of the inauguration of Donald Trump, right? So this is very important. We have been seeing that he talked about it. He announced it on his own X page, and a lot of people start talking about it. And this was the party they had before the inauguration day, and we start seeing Eric Trump also talking about it, and a lot of people have been start talking about it also, right? So this is very important for the mainstream media, and also for the mainstream people that are going to get in. A lot of Trump supporter also are going to be buying this token on the Solana, and of course it's going to be very big for the Solana ecosystem. And congratulations to Solana, they have been performing very well and seeing a lot of stuff. So now what are we going to see? We are going to see the price retrace back again to come and trying to find this area right here, forming the bull flag right here. You guys are seeing it forming that bull flag, and eventually the pressure, we start seeing the pressure within the token get down and then go back up, trying to reach, and then from there on, complete, for example, that until tomorrow, when a lot of people start seeing their timeline getting bombarded by the contracts and bombarded by people making gains, and this will skyrocket again and start searching for that 10 billion market cap. So 10 billion market cap for this Trump token. I'm seeing the first billion, first 10 billion market cap for this token is this can happen, but not for now. I'm not giving you guys a financial a financial advice. I'm just saying, guys, it's for 4 years. I mean, like 4 years. We have 4 years for this to outperform and then hit the 10 billion, and tremendously can also hit, yeah, 10 billion for me. That will be very great. Very great point. Remember, I'm not promoting this token. I'm just doing a very, very great, and I'm just analyzing this token and show you guys what I'm seeing, right? So we also know that here on Altcoin Intelligence, you guys can see that we are not seeing yet Donald Trump announcing this. We are not seeing it into his wallet, into his main wallet, even though it's on Ethereum. But we are seeing that, for example, if we go all the way back to this right here, we see that a lot of exchange have been buying up the token. We can go here to this site right here, and then we can start scrolling down. Link in the description. Gate.io just bought Gate.io deposit. We see crypto.com. We are seeing more Gate.io, HTX. We are seeing holding the token. We are seeing KuCoin also, and Kraken also are adding this. Maxi, BitGit, and Bybit are all these entities that are adding this token to their wallet. Of course, we are seeing a lot of volume being created, and of course, all of these exchanges are trying to buy in and get the wallet, get the token, right? So how to buy this token? For those who want to buy it, very easy. You have to have the Phantom wallet, and with the Phantom wallet, you can just of course, in the Phantom wallet, copy the contract and go into the Phantom wallet and just do a swap with the Phantom wallet. Of course, that's one of the main things you can do, and that's one of the. So if we go to the soul scan, we can see who's the person who created the token. And this person was the person who created a token. You can just copy the wallet and then copy trade the wallet. Also, I'm going to be doing a video about it. And as we see in the wallet, they have a lot of tokens in their wallet, right? So if we go back to the Arkham Intelligence and go to the visual to visualize what we're seeing, we are going to start seeing a lot of people that own the token. So this is a very big bubble that we are seeing right now being maneuvered. A lot of exchanges, as you guys can see right now, and this is the biggest wallet that is owing, right? Let me put it this side. This is the biggest wallet, and this of course is the wallet that we just saw right here. This is the same wallet, 5G7. Go to Arkham Intelligence 5G7. This is developer wallet. And from here on, we guys can start seeing what the dev have been doing. So for example, if I want to go and check what this wallet did, I just need to go here and then see, like 3 minutes ago, you only had a couple of transfers minutes ago, 20, and I can just go into this section right here called trace. And in trace, we can just go into the wallet, for example, and then drop the wallet in here and then do a bit of chain analysis to see. So remember, guys, the link is in the description. That's Arkham Intelligence. They are doing an airdrop also, so enjoy. So right here, we are seeing, right, token being sent, and outflow is going out, and the inflow you guys are seeing right now. We are seeing, if I start adding these wallet right here, and this wallet will start telling me who are those people that have been connected to the developer and sending money to the developer, right? And this is something that's very important for me as a degen, because this is what I'm going to be using to track them all down, right? We are seeing that they have been sending the token, all the token to this wallet right here. I'm gonna just click right here and then click here and then go into, it's gonna fetch all the information and give me more information on why he sent that amount of $53 million to this wallet right here. And from there on, I can just do the same thing and then click here on the bubble. It will send me to the page, to the other Arkham Intelligence page, and then open that page up, and we can see that bubble being burst and separate to different wallets. Okay, so this is very important. Also, so we have to keep on notices that there's a lot of people that are holding the token, and of course they are not going to sell now because we have 4 years. Imagine yourself, we have 4 years of this. 4 years of this. So keep that in mind, guys. Keep that in mind that this is a very, very important. Enjoy this pump. Remember that we have that retracement back again, that the token is coming back down. Bitcoin is coming back down right before the inauguration, and eventually we are already seeing approximately the price already pump out of our bull flag that we were talking about, hitting our target right here around 89, right, hitting 89, and then get out of that side. So that means, guys, that you guys need to understand that we are in this era of Trump, and there will be a lot of positive stuff and also a lot of negative stuff. But remember that you only have this opportunity this year and next year to make money in crypto. So, guys, I will highly suggest you guys to subscribe to me to channel, hit the like button, and let me know in the comment what you guys think and what other videos you guys want to see. And remember, I have a lot of video coming up that are going to be showing you guys how to be a degen in the crypto world and how to front run a lot of narrative that we all know about. So this is very important, guys. I need you guys to keep in mind that the dollar index also has get a small pump up to upwards. Why? Because of the announcement of the inauguration. A lot of people are front running this play game right here, and then of course it's forming, right? It's forming again. It's forming this this head and shoulder pattern that we're seeing right now, but we still don't know what's going to happen. But we can eventually see this pattern play out on the daily chart. This head and shoulder pattern that we're seeing right now, right? We have to just be focused on what we already what we are seeing right now, right? So let's do like this. We're not there yet. So this head and shoulder pattern that's showing right on this chart right now, that we can highly expect the price to come back down of the dollar index. So very important thing, guys, just keep in mind to be ready for what's going to happen, and always understand that you are in the right place at the right time. Just be patient, wait, and trying to learn and educate yourself before going and buy something without understanding of what's happening, right? So keep in mind the price will go a bit more down. We will go and then reach for this area right here again, right? And then we can expect this to double down and then burst right back up. Just keep the notice, guys. The 20th is the inauguration day at 12 o'clock noon. So that means that a lot of people are going to front run this narrative. Okay, guys, so enjoy it. Hope you guys like this video. Subscribe to me to the channel, hit the like button, and let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment, and all the links are in the description. See you guys. Shoo!